Hello and welcome to VLearn Virtual Learning Network. This is session number 14 of Hindi 2. Topics to be covered in this session are negation, that means in Hindi we say nishedh. Negation is no or not, you know that. In Hindi we call it nishedh. Consent, that means sehmati. Quarrel, that means jhagda. Apologies, that means shama prarthana. So let us study first negation. Negation, as we know, something to do with no, not, never, something to do with no. So we are going to learn how do we use this negation. In Hindi we say as nishedh. So let us study. First sentence, I have no complaints. Complaints is what? शिकायत. In Hindi we call it as शिकायत. मुझे कोई शिकायत नहीं. I have no complaints. That means I do not have any problem. I don't have any complaints. So that means मुझे कोई शिकायत नहीं. शिकायत is what? Complaint. I have no complaints. I don't know. That means मैं नहीं जानता. That means I don't know. Know is what? जानना. So I don't know, that means मैं नहीं जानता. That means I don't know this thing. If somebody is asking you that you know, so you often say I don't know. In Hindi we say as मैं नहीं जानता. Or somebody is asking that do you have any problem, do you have any complaints, so you say I have no complaints, no problems. So you will say मुझे कोई शिकायत नहीं. Few more sentences with negation. I can't do this. मुझसे यह काम नहीं होगा. काम is some work. I can't do this work. That means मुझसे यह काम नहीं होगा. I can't do this work. यह सच नहीं है. That means this is not true. True is what? Such. So this is not true. That means यह सच नहीं है. True is such. So that means यह सच नहीं है. This is not true. Sometimes parents says that don't be stubborn. That means sometimes children demand for something that I want it at any cost. So parents usually say don't be stubborn. That means they make their children understand that we cannot get that or it is of no use, so you must not get it. So in that case, child doesn't favor for that, he doesn't agree. So sometimes parents says don't be stubborn. Stubborn in Hindi we call it as ziddi. Ziddi mat bano. That means don't be stubborn. Don't behave like that in which you feel you do things on a very stubborn basis. You don't want to change your decision. So don't be stubborn. That means ziddi mat bano. Sorry, I can't afford it. Sometimes People says that I don't have that much money, I can't afford it, I can't give it to you. So they say, sorry, I can't afford it, I can't give it to you, and I cannot buy that. So they say, मैं इसे खरीद नहीं सकता. I can't afford it. मैं इसे खरीद नहीं सकता. खरीदना is buy. Because I couldn't afford it, so I can't buy that. मैं इसे खरीद नहीं सकता. Sometimes maybe beggar or a poor person comes to you and asks for a few charity from your side. So you sometimes says that I don't have any change. Or a shopkeeper asks for a change sometimes. You have gone there to buy something. You need a change. Maybe somebody is asking, so you say, sorry, I don't have any change. That means मेरे पास रेस गाड़ी नहीं है. For change we use रेस गाड़ी. I don't have any change. Change is what? रेस गाड़ी. So मेरे पास रेस गाड़ी नहीं है. Sometimes you don't have the change. You say that I don't have change. You say that sorry, I don't have any change. For this in Hindi we have मेरे पास रेस गाड़ी नहीं है. Don't be angry. That means गुस्सा मत करो. Angry in Hindi we call it as गुस्सा. So don't be angry. That means गुस्सा मत करो. Don't be angry. गुस्सा मत करो. This is about consent. Consent is you are giving your approval, you agree. So you say as you like. That means you agree with the other's decision, with other person's decision. So you say that as you like. That means जैसी आपकी मर्जी. That means as you like. मुझे कोई एतराज़ नहीं है. एतराज़ is what? Objection. That means I don't have any problem, I don't have any objection with this. मुझे कोई एतराज़ नहीं है. जैसी आपकी मर्ज़ी. That means as you like. मुझे कोई एतराज़ नहीं है. That means you are giving your consent for the thing. You will say I have no objection. मैं आपसे सहमत हूँ. That means I agree with you. I don't have any problem. I totally agree with your talks. Agree with whatever you are saying. I don't have any problem. मैं आपसे सहमत हूँ. I am with you. You sometimes say that I am always with you in your support. I am always in your help. I am with you. मैं आपके साथ हूँ. That means I am with you. I agree with you. That means मैं आपसे सहमत हूँ. सहमत होना is agree, consent. That means I agree with you. मैं आपसे सहमत हूँ. I am with you. That means I am in your support and I am in your help. Don't worry about the things. In both the cases, you are giving your approval, your consent. मेरी सहानुभूति आपके साथ है. सहानुभूति is sympathies. Maybe the person has some problem or he is in trouble. So you say that my sympathies are with you. That means I can understand your problem. I can realize the things from your end. So you say, मेरी सहानुभूति आपके साथ है. सहानुभूति is what? Sympathies. Are with you. That means आपके साथ है. So my sympathies are with you. You will have to mend your ways. Sometimes in quarrel, you say that you have to change yourself. You have to mend your ways. तुम्हें अपने को सुधारना पड़ेगा. Mending is what? सुधारना. Because of your behavior, sometimes we get into trouble or some problem is there. So you will have to mend your ways. तुम्हें अपने को सुधारना पड़ेगा. क्या आपके होश ठिकाने हैं? Are you in your senses? होश is senses. क्या आपके होश ठिकाने हैं? Are you in your senses? मेरी आँखों से दूर हो जाओ. That means get out of my sight. Sight is आँखें. That means your vision. So get out of my vision, get out of my sight. That means in choral we sometimes they say that whatever you are saying, are you in your senses? क्या आपके होश ठिकाने हैं? Sometimes because of anger we say get out of my sight. मेरी आँखों से दूर हो जाओ. भाड़ में जाओ. That means go to hell. So that means sometimes in anger, in quarrel, we say that go to hell. I don't want to see your face, so just go to hell. That means भाड़ में जाओ. Or please don't mind. Sometimes after quarrel we say that please don't mind. You make a request that whatever is being done, that please don't mind that. आप बुरा ना माने. Don't feel bad, don't mind whatever I have said, whatever I told, don't mind about that. आप बुरा ना माने. बुरा is what? Minding something, feeling bad. So don't mind. That means आप बुरा ना माने. Apologies. That means मैं तो मजाक कर रहा था. That means I was just joking. Sometimes you have said something wrong, so you say that I'm really sorry. I was just joking. Maybe I've insulted you or I've done something wrong. So joking is what? Mazak. So I was just joking. मैं तो मजाक कर रहा था. I am sorry for interrupting you. That means you are speaking and somebody just interrupts you in between. He starts speaking and you can say, the person can say, I am sorry for interrupting you, because you are speaking and he has all of a sudden spontaneously come there and started suddenly speaking. So he can say that I am sorry for interrupting you. That means बीच में बोलने के लिए मुझे माफ़ करें. माफ़ करना इज़ सॉरी. बीच में बोलने के लिए मुझे माफ़ करें. Because I am interrupting. बीच में बोलना is somebody is talking and you are interrupting. So बीच में बोलने के लिए मुझे माफ़ करें. I am sorry for interrupting you. मेरी ओर से माफ़ी मांग लीजिए. So sometimes you say that on my behalf I apologize. Or maybe sometimes you say to the person that apologize on my behalf because I have done something wrong. Apology is माफ़ी मांगना. So मेरी ओर से, that means on my behalf, just say sorry. मेरी ओर से माफ़ी मांग लीजिए. apologize on my behalf. मेरी ओर से माफ़ी मांग लीजिए. Don't feel bad, and if they are feeling sad or some problem is there, so just apologize from my side. Apologize on my behalf. मेरी ओर से माफ़ी मांग लीजिए. Shame on you. Maybe somebody has done something wrong. He's being caught red-handed stealing something, or some wrongdoings he's doing. He's following. So you say shame on you. That means लानत है तुम पर. Lanat is what? Shame. That means we are really feeling insulted because of you. So shame on you. लानत है तुम पर. So shame on you. You have studied about consent in this session. You have studied about quarrel in this session. You have studied about apology. Studied about negation. Different aspects that we use in our day-to-day life. Sometimes we quarrel with somebody. Sometimes we have to show our consent. Sometimes we have to negate the thing. Sometimes we have to say apology. So different aspects of life, these are very commonly used things in our day-to-day life. We have studied few sentences with each of the aspect, so that you can have an understanding with whatever sentences you are speaking in English. How can you translate them in English, Hindi? So you have studied about them, that what these kind of sentences that we use during these things, maybe while apologizing or while quarreling, while consent, or while showing your consent, or while showing negation. We have studied few sentences in each case. So that is all for this session by now. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Happy learning. We learning.